Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to register your device in the BBVA app step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the BBVA app on the device you want to register. If this is your first time, tap Access and enter your login credentials. Step 2. After logging in, the app will ask if you want to register the device for secure access. Tap Yes to proceed. Step 3. BBVA may send a verification code to your registered phone number or email. Enter the code to confirm your identity. Step 4. You may also be asked to set up a security method, such as a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Choose what works best for you. Step 5. Once complete, the app will confirm that your device is now registered and trusted. Note, registering your device helps you access features faster and adds an extra layer of security. That's it. Your BBVA app is now securely set up on your device. If this guide helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.